communications of 1/4/2025 for cancellation of recommendation in favor of those incumbents. This court finds force in the contention of the learned standing council that the rights under Article 14 is a positive right and there is no concept of negative equality. At the same time, settlement of land for the two incumbents, namely so and so, which has been said to be done, cannot be left like this, more so when the entire plot of land covered by DAG number 97 has been stated to be reserved for the Pragjyotispur Medical College. If any settlement has been done in violation of the rules, such settlement cannot be treated to be legal, and only because of the fact that certain incumbents have attained the status of settlement holder would not debar the state authorities from taking appropriate action for recalling such settlement. Since it is the specific stand of the department that the entire area of 34 bighas covered by DAG number 7 is reserved for the hospital, overwhelming public interest would require the entire plot should be made encroachment free so that the proposed hospital can be constructed and would cater to the public at large. While this court is of the opinion that the petitioners have not been able to make out any case for interference with the speaking orders that is so and so, it is directed any settlement proposed or given with the aforesaid DAG number 97 are to be cancelled by following but the due process of law and necessary process be initiated and completed within a time-bound frame. This court also observes that if the petitions apply for settlement for any other land suitable for such settlement, the same would be considered by the respondent authorities as per the existing land settlement policy. All the petitions then disposed of. Very quick.
Please,
yes.
So with the consent of other seat, I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship.
Yes.
So my senior is expired yesterday, Lordship. So matter maybe.
Oh, yes, yes. This court has been informed that the learned counsel leading in this matter has passed away yesterday, and therefore adjournment has been sought for list after 4 weeks.
Obviously.
Sri S.K. Mithil, learned CDC is present.
Yes. Yes, my lord. The eviction from Petrol and my lord, may be listed tomorrow, my lord.
Motion.
Motion.
Yes.
My lord,
Motion, my lord.
Motion is if not motion, don't mention.
motion item.
Yes.
My lord, one item for my lord, order item, my lord, for the deletion of some parties, my lord.
Deletion of?
Parties, my lord. Respondents, we have been wrongly deleted.
You filed I.
We have already filed, my lord. It has numbered also. Can
I has not been listed.
not listed.
Okay, we can have it tomorrow or Monday.
Monday, my lord.
Monday.
Obliged, my lord.
I has been numbered.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Mishra.
Yes, because item number 15, madam.
15.
15.
Yes.
This matter may kindly taken up after vacation, madam. To the vacation.
Why are you taking time?
But I have some personal difficulty as well as I have to take some instance.
Okay. Other side informed.
Yes, madam. I have it.
On a prayer made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed after the autumn vacation. Yes.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, item number 6 may be passed over for the day. My senior has got some personal difficulty today.
6/20/20 matter, madam.
Other instruction is jail loss.
Hmm?
Matter can be disposed of loss.
Lordship for the day.
And dispose of as what? Covered or what? Covered.
Lots of instructions are also in the file also. Lord.
Okay, she has some difficulty
Lots.
today. When can we have? Monday?
Yes, your Lordship.
Monday. On a request made on behalf, request for accommodation has been made on behalf of Sri B. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri N. Goswami, learned state counsel, has submitted that certain instructions have been received based on which the writ petition can be disposed of at the admission stage. Para. Accordingly, list. Accordingly, accordingly, this petition is this matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday. Monday date.
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, WPC number 43412/2025. Matter may be leased for tomorrow.
Why?
Lordship, you pass an order in 18/8/2025 for amendment the cost title. I corrected the cost title and submit last 9/9/25. Till today, the matter is not
There's
listed.
no need for mentioning this. Mentioning is only for out of turn, listing is only for urgent matters. You make an application before the registry, it will be listed. Okay, next.
May I
Yes,
please,
Mr. Chaudhary?
my lord, this is Those people,
Yes.
emotion affected people.
Before my learned senior counterpart starts, my lord, but here we are led by learned advocate general, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, he is on legs in court number 1, my lord. He will be, my lord, conducting this case. I'm praying for time being, my lord.
Okay, timing?
Time being already, madam, you all kindly accommodate me, my lord, because.
Yes,
I
yes,
have
we'll
other
accommodate.
cases there.
If we accommodate the AG, why shouldn't we
My-
accommodate you? We'll accommodate both of you.
They got some, my lord.
Yes,
All right. 1, 2, 3, my lord.
1, 2, and 3. Yes, my lord.
connected, all
Yes,
connected.
all connected.
Connected, my lord. Pleadings are complete, my
But that
lord.
Vishwanath case,
Yes, my
Vishwanath.
lord. VGR. Pleadings are complete, my lord.
VGR, lost duck numbers.
That is your lordship will to see, my lord. Actually, madam, in the notice they have submitted that, madam, if you have any record, you come and submit it. We have submitted also, madam, that one.
Okay, let us see.
Yes, yes, madam.
I'm okay.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
It's already evicted, my lord. I have specific instruction to that effect, my
My
lord.
lord,
Uriam Duck case, my lord.
Yes, my lord, the petitioners, my lord, has already been, the properties has already been demolished, my lord. And we are now scattered here and there, my lord, no place to reside, my lord, no policy of the government. And we are homeless, landless, foodless, and at present sheltered.
You apply under the present land policy.
My lord, we have been preparing, but my lord, the other issues we have raised in this petition, my lord, today only I am praying for notice only, my lord. Regarding the policy of settlement and other issues are there, my lord.
Yes, what do you say? Notice is heard. 3 A.R. Bhuya, Learned Counsel, for the petitioners who by means of this petition has put to challenge an eviction process initiated by the Forest Department, wide a notice dated 24/7/2025, whereby 7 days time was granted to vacate the land. Full stop. It has been averred that such action is illegal and also in violation of certain directions of the Honorable Supreme Court. Full stop. Further allegation is that there is contravention of section, not section, it's a regulation, 18(2) of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886 and the Assam Land Policy of 2019. Para. Sri P.N. Goswami, Learned AAG, has however informed that the eviction process has already been conducted.
One more submission, and the Supreme Court judgment was in the context of a,
And
Was in the
that is only on the motions.
that has been held.
He has
by
also-
division bench.
He has also clarified that the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court sought to be relied upon by the petitioners would not be applicable in the facts of the present case as it relates to an entirely different context. Para? Be that as it may, that notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Yes, who's there?
And the respondent number 2, my lord, they have mentioned twice, my lord, but I think that has to be corrected, my lord.
No, they have corrected.
Very close, I think.
Union of India?
My lord.
First thing-
Union of India? Yes, Mr. S.S. Roy. Union of India, then P.N. Goswami for all?
My lord, there are two twos, my lord.
No, this has been corrected.
Then, my
I
lord, I am
think-
for the chief secretary, special chief secretary 2, 3.
Or I think. All, food and civil supplies you will take or not? Will you take?
I can take definitely.
Then rest for all. 211. Or three is what?
No, it's 3.
This is 4. 4 is Arbor Project revenue.
My lord.
Revenue, rest, P.N. Goswami, yeah? Extra copies.
My
My
lord.
lord.
You have some other matters of this nature, we can take this
My
matter.
lord, tomorrow 2 matters are coming.
No, not future matters,
Already pending cases.
pending cases.
Pending cases, my lord. No, my lord, this is the first after
No,
the.
7 days, you have.
There was a case, my lord, directed to us to wait for 7 days. They assailed it before division bench.
Those you have placed before us.
Then, my lord, they have
Maybe has given an extended term.
Yes, then they went to division bench, my lord.
Yes.
Division bench allowed further 15
Yes,
days.
that we-
Against that, they have gone to Supreme Court, my lord.
Thereafter,
They have gone to Supreme Court. There's an interim order in the Supreme Court regarding status quo as regards those petitioners.
okay, there's a status quo order.
Status quo.
My lord, in fact, the division bench has disposed the pending writ petitions in the appeal, my lord. Close the writ petitions, my lord.
Writ petitions have been closed.
Closed, my lord.
And in the meantime, another PL was filed, that was dismissed.
That is a different.
Same case, same hearing.
Obliged.
No, that is okay because, but examining the other issues, that has also gone after disposal.
My lord.
Okay. Because evicting is and the other issues.
My lord.
Okay.
Obliged.
Yes, next.
May I speak, your lordship? My lord, the moot question, my lord, arises in this writ petition is, my lord, whether in the mutation proceeding, whether right title and interest can be decided, my lord. But there are decisions, my lord, mutation is only for the purpose of collecting revenue. It is not for the purpose of giving title to my lord. My lord, in fact, your lordship make that, and what happened in this matter, my lord, Deputy Secretary, Government of Assam, directed DC to cancel my mutation
Yes.
on the ground that the land which has been registered in my favor
Hmm.
is in excess. Land, it was, according to Deputy Secretary, it was in excess.
Yes.
My submission, my lord, I will show my lord, no, NOC and all, my lord, without cancelling, my lord, registered deed before the competent court, by the competent court. My lord, in my humble submission, it cannot, mutation cannot be cancelled on the ground of I am not possessing the title of. And my lord, by way of the cancellation, my lord, they have cancelled entire land. Even assuming for the argument's sake, my lord, they are accepted. It should be limited to the excess land only. But they have cancelled entire land. Now, my lord, may kindly first come to page 25, my lord.
Mr. Goswami, this is a very small issue.
Small, my lord,
No.
let him find, my lord, pay the amount, my lord, authority will restore this.
No, because see, Mr. Goel may not have the first point, we may not accept.
My lord.
That registered deed is there, so and mutation. But if the registered deed, the boundaries and in the land under his possession is more than what he has purchased
My lord.
by registered sale deed, for that part there cannot be a mutation in his name.
Yes.
So far as that part is concerned, this
Other-
impugn notice,
My lord,
we may not be interfering. But at the same time, you cannot cannot cancel the mutation of the entire plot.
my lord. No, only because of this, my lord, this amount which was, he is liable to pay, my lord, because non.
Amount for what?
My lord, the land was sold, my lord, as undervalued, my lord, that is, my lord, that is the core issue.
No, my learned friend may not be properly
My lord,
briefed, my lord.
no,
In fact,
my lord, paragraph 5 of the affidavit in opposition, my lord, lordship will kindly have it.
I will place my lord apprehension.
Of the affidavit in opposition?
Yes.
Page?
Page 115, my lord, paragraph 5.
115.
5.
Yes. Yes.
May I?
Paragraph?
As per, my lord, with regard to paragraph 7 of the writ petition, the department backs, as per the inquiry conducted, the value of both
Paragraph 5.
value in both the NOC so-and-so dated 4/11/2010 for the instruments registered in the office of this senior sub-register, right, register number so-and-so, this so-and-so dated 22/12/2011 are not correct, grossly undervalued as per the market value or the journal value as notified under notification so-and-so dated so-and-so. Hence, the petitioner was served with a notice with corrigendum for recovery of the balance amount of 23,34,300
My lord, it
for
was
stamp duty
silent before this honorable court.
and rupees so-and-so for registration fee by so-and-so. That is,
No, that is a different aspect.
my lord,
Whether it was undervalued and if you have come to a conclusion
my lord.
directing him to pay, but that is not the grievance. What is your grievance
My
here?
grievance is they can't cancel
Cancellation of the mutation, yes.
mutation.
That
This is
that
my,
is why, my lord.
my lord, kindly
If
see
they,
my,
if they pay the amount, my lord, certainly
That was
everything will be
quest, my
restored,
lord. That was question, my lord. That is not the issue here.
Mr. Goswami,
my lord.
what you are raising is also a relevant issue, but that issue perhaps is not the issue before us.
My
It
lord.
is not the subject matter.
My lord,
If the sale was done in an undervalued manner and you have made a determination
my lord,
that he is required to pay some more court fee,
my lord,
some duties,
my lord.
then that's a different aspect.
My-
He is aggrieved by a direction to cancel the mutations.
Yes,
Now there is a sale deed.
my lord.
Unless the sale
That
deed,
sale deed has been, I think, that has been cancelled because of this only.
where is the cancelled? Case sale deed is not cancelled.
Not
My-
cancel.
Hence the petitioner serves so and so, so and so, so and so.
Where is the impugned order, Mr. Goel?
My lord, page
Everything will be
98.
clear. Page
98, my lord.
98. Yes.
Annexes 12. May I read your lordship? With reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to inform you that it has been found that Srimati so-and-so of Pehavari Patadar of 2 bighas land in Dag number so-and-so, FC grant number so-and-so in the year 1982-1983, on scrutiny of records, it appears that Srimati Nina Majumdar sold 4 bighas, 4 katta, 5 lesa land of the said Dag, of the said Patta to Sri so-and-so, and Sri so-and-so got mutation of 4 bigha, 4 katta, 5 lecha of land and subsequently sold to Mr. so-and-so and so-and-so. It is not clear how so-and-so sold 4 bigha land when she was pattadar of 2 bigha land. Therefore, you are requested to take steps for cancellation of mutation of Sri so-and-so and subsequent purchaser in excess of 2 bigha land after giving due opportunity of hearing to Srimati so-and-so and other concerned person and restore the excess land, if any, sold without any authority and keep the excess land in the name of original Pattadar 1947 PC Dombrain Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so, since it is grant land in absence of original Pattadar, the excess land may not be made government land.
Maybe made,
as
maybe
per-
made.
My lord,
Maybe
maybe
made,
maybe
not
made government land as per my lord provision of law.
Yes.
On the basis of this letter, my lord, Deputy Commissioner directed Additional Deputy Commissioner and my lord, Circle Officer has cancelled my mutation. My submission before your lordship is, my lord, I have purchased on the basis of NOC given by my lord Deputy Commissioner and it NOC given by my lord the GMDA and it was duly registered before the Deputy Commissioner. If my lord title is in dispute, my lord sale deed is required to be my lord modified or cancelled. But by way of mutation, my lord, title cannot be decided by my lord. I will place my decision, my lord. Mutation is only for the purpose of collecting my lord revenue. And thereafter, my lord, kindly see. Before that, I would like to place my lord my NOC and all, my lord.
You are one of the subsequent purchasers.
Subsequent.
AK Goel.
AK Goel, my lord.
Where is Anurag
No,
Agarwal?
he has not challenged.
How much is your purchase?
Total 64.95 era R and it will be my lord 4 bigha 4 katta 5 lesa.
No, entire land has been ultimately purchased by you
My lord.
from this Mayur Talukdar.
Mayur Talukdar.
Then where is the other purchaser?
Other president has not approached this,
Why?
my lord.
No, no, you have jointly purchased.
Jointly purchased, my lord. It should be, my lord, included in the.
You cannot, how do you challenge? Has he given authority to you to challenge?
My lord. Is one owner, co-owner has challenged. Or my lord, I will file my application for impleading, my lord.
What is the present status, Mr. Goswami?
My lord, that I know.
I
Of
am
course, my lord.
in possession, my lord. And
Of
there,
the entire plot?
my lord, it is my lord hilly area, my lord. We can't go beyond that. And in fact, my lord,
Hilly area
Hill-
where?
in
Which-
Nunmati, my lord, New Guwahati. In fact, my lord, they are still collecting my lord revenue for entire
that-
land, not only 2 bigha.
As
And-
per the affidavit, my
and
lord,
then-
there is
then, my
no
lord,
dispute as such.
in
my lord.
fact,
Only thing is what I have stated before lordship, my lord. That is the only core issue, my lord.
and they wrote to later,
No, Mr. Goswami, that
Right.
may not be the core issue.
Right.
The issue would be more important than that.
Yes, yes. That
But
may
on-
be,
only
but
by-
I am
No, no.
relying on the affidavit.
Only,
I'm saying.
only by paying the extra stamp duty, he cannot be the owner of
Yes.
properties which the vendor did not have the title.
Yes,
The vendor had a title of 2 bigha only, 2 bigha something.
my lord.
While selling to his predecessor, his vendor,
Right.
to some Mayur Talukdar, it was made as it was made shown as if it was 4 bigha something.
Right.
And from this Mayur Talukdar, they have purchased. Now, the original,
one.
this Meena Mazumdar, her possession, her ownership was limited to 2 bigha something. So extra lands which the vendor did not have the right and title, that cannot be transferred.
Yes.
That is a more important
Yes,
issue.
that aspect is
So
also-
undervaluation, if he simply pays the amount,
my lord.
he becomes the owner, that cannot be.
Yes,
in fact, that was challenged and it was quashed, my lord. That I have annexed in my reply. That stamp duty notice was challenged before this honorable court and it is quashed, my lord.
Now, was the mutation cancelled? So for the entire
Cancelled.
land?
Entire land. Impugned order that
What action have you taken? There is no stay order, Mr. Goswami.
my lord.
What action have you taken to evict the petitioner
My lord.
from the plans which he is not the owner of? You take action. And the communication has made very clear that it should go back to the original patadas, and if they are not claiming, then it will be government land.
government is, my lord, again writing to deputy commissioner to re-examine the entire issue, page 179, man. 179, my affidavit in reply. Running page 179, internal page 56.
As per the reason deputy counsel, the hearing and civil.
In inviting a reference on subject cited, I am directed to forward here with a copy of petition that so and so submitted by so and so, along with annexes for your kind information, and state that if no status quo order in the pending case, which is pending.
Reply affidavit, your reply with paragraph?
No, my lord, annexer, I have annexed, page 179, rejoinder.
179. Yes.
In inviting a reference on the subject cited above, I am directed to forward here with a copy of petition dated so and so, submitted by so and so, along with annexes for your kind information, and state that if no status quo order in the pending case, which is pending, my lord, present case, number so has been passed by Honorable High Court, necessary action may be taken as per the order as mentioned in the letter referred to above, after giving notice and opportunity of hearing to all concerned, as the petitioner purchased land with NOC from deputy commissioner. From more, I have purchased bona fide, my lord, on the basis of NOC given by deputy commissioner. And unless until title has not been, my lord, changed, I acted on the basis of the NOC given by deputy commissioner, my lord.
No, see, you acted on the NOC by deputy commissioner. That will not vest title upon you if your vendor did not have the title. Some aberrations done at the level of the.
For that, it was required that sale deed has to be cancelled by competent court, my lord. Sale deed has been executed on that land, my lord. It is required to be cancelled or modified by the competent court. By way of
Can you buy property?
My lord?
Can you buy property from a vendor who does not have the right title interest?
Who will decide? Undersecretary cannot decide, my lord, my title.
No,
he is writing to deputy commissioner.
Yes.
It is in excess on what basis, my lord? Because that power is not vested with, my lord, undersecretary, my lord. That can only be done by, my lord, competent court, civil court. Because ultimately he is deciding the title.
Matter is not that easy, Mr. Goel.
My lord.
Any other matter, this submission we had accepted.
My lord.
Here we find something very fishy.
My lord. There is no explanation, my lord, how it is.
Well, why this Anurag Agarwal is not before this court?
My lord, I will.
Who is he? He is a government servant.
He is government servant. That's right.
He buys property like this.
Along with.
And he doesn't come to the court. He doesn't challenge.
My lord, that was not. In fact, other notices were challenged.
Let him come to the court. Implead him.
Implead, my lord.
We'll see.
My lord.
We find something else.
my lord.
Hey, come to me, it's like, take them one with you. Take them one with you.
Heard Sri A.K. Goel, learned counsel for the petitioner
Yeah, come on. Do it again.
who has put to challenge and a communication dated 15/12/2015 issued by the Deputy Secretary, Revenue Department to the Deputy Commissioner, Kamrup Metro, whereby steps have been directed to be taken for cancellation of the mutation of the vendor of the petitioner and the subsequent purchasers in excess of 2 bighas of land after giving due opportunity. Full stop. It however appears that along with the present that the sale was done jointly by the present petitioner and one Sri Anurag Agarwala. Full stop. Strangely, the present challenge is made by the petitioner alone. Is there any averment?
My lord, I have not given any averment as regard.
And there is no averment that the other joint purchaser had authorized the petitioner to make the present challenge. It also does not appear that the other purchaser is related to the petitioner. Full stop. Para? In view of the aforesaid facts, it becomes debatable as to whether this petition would be maintainable in the present manner. Full stop. Para? At this stage, Sri Goel, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he would take instructions regarding implement of the other purchaser as party in these proceedings. Full stop. Also heard Sri B. Goswami, learned additional AG Assam, who has however submitted that this writ petition is pending since 2018 and no such steps have been taken earlier. Be that as it may, in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to enable the petitioner to take necessary steps. List on 15th of October. Yes, 7 to 9 water is.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, as per earlier order, the Water Resource Department was directed to furnish the complete instructions to Finance Department as to why incomplete instructions were given.
Yes, water resource.
Received instruction, your lordship. FOC is already submitted to the deputy commissioner, your lordship.
In all the 3 cases.
Yes, your lordship.
You're for release of contractual dues.
Land acquisition.
Land acquisition.
Yes,
When did you submit the FOC?
on 17/9, your lordship,
Okay.
yesterday.
Then I think yes, how long will you take? Mr. Bolpujari?
It is released.
Huh?
It is.
It is written in the.
FOC, if lordship says, my lord, I am reading it.
Yes.
With reference to the above, I have the honor to inform that as per the financial sanction and sealing receipt. So sealing already cleared, my lord. Receipt from Bhait under refunds, the payment against the LA customer has been submitted to the land acquisition branch through treasury bill Bhait so and so. So it has now reached the district commissioner
Yes.
Morigaon. They will get it.
This is so, then we need some time to verify as they have received the compensation or not.
Okay, Monday. Okay.
Yes, Lord.
Miss R. Deca, Learned Standing Council, Water Resource Department, has submitted that on that white communication dated 17/9/2025 issued by the Executive Engineer, Morigaon Water Resource Division, comma, the aspect of financial sanction and sealing, including the submission to the concerned Land Acquisition Branch, District Commissioner Morigaon, has been stated, full stop. 3. Arbor Project Land Standing Council Finance has submitted that in view of the above, the grievance of the petitioners, grievance of the stands redressed. Para. Your name, please?
Arborua.
Sri Arbor Learned Council appearing for the petitioners. Pray for some time to obtain the instructions. Para. List on Monday.
Obliged, Lord.
30 seconds. Close.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, Dr. P. Agarwal is in legs in another court, lordship. May I kindly pass over the matter for the time being?
Time being is difficult. Yes, what is this?
We have not received instructions as of now, and also SK Talukdar is on next final.
Your SK Talukdar is for the bank,
For the corporation.
Corporation Department. You have filed affidavit.
No, the instruction is not received by night. We have
Then addition affidavit by respondent, who's filed a respondent? Some affidavit has been filed by
3, 4
respondent.
and 5 us.
You are 3, 4 and
3,
5.
4 and 5.
Okay, you file your affidavit. While the respond numbers 1 and 2 have filed affidavit, comma, the Corporation Department is yet to file its response. Para. On the prayer made on behalf of the department, 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
No pleasure, my lord.
Lordship, I beg for some more time, Lordship, at least till Monday, Lordship.
File affidavit? No.
Yes. No, Lordship.
What is the matter?
We are challenging some notice.
Okay, you Monday will file.
Yes, Lordship, by Monday. They have already sent it, but I have not
Okay.
received the.
Then we'll have it after the vacation.
After-
File it. Okay. Third, Sri B. Barua Learned Council for the petitioner. Para. Sri Shri Sharma Learned Standing Council NCHEC submits that. But you had said that you will file it before
Yes, Lordship.
11/9.
Yes, Lordship.
That the affidavit which was supposed to be filed
Yes, Lordship. They
has
have
not been
sent-
able to be done.
that they have sent it on 15th.
Has not been able to be done, and he accordingly prays for some accommodation. Para. List on Wednesday next as a last opportunity to file the affidavit. Wednesday by first, because 11/9 was the last date.
Yes, Lordship.
11 Wednesday.
Obliged, Lordship.
Well, there is an interim order.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next.
No, wait.
Last time it was not.
Again,
It is still further orders.
until,
Not
Yes,
required,
sir.
not required.
not at all. Obliged.
Obviously. May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Milord, rejection of my candidature, Milord, for retail outlet dealership of petrol pump by the Bharat Petroleum is the subject matter of this petition, Milord. Page 85, Milord, 84 and 85.
Affidavit filed.
No, well.
Affidavit not filed.
Sir,
One,
small issue, Milord.
1 and 2. Who's 1 and 2?
There, Milord.
BPCL, you have filed affidavit.
One affidavit regarding service of notice upon the private respondent.
No, this is by 1 and 2. What is it? You filed one affidavit.
That is with regard to service, Milord, sir, completion of service.
Regarding service of notice upon respond number 3, Mayor, the notice be issued through BPCL, Mayor.
Okay, only for, you are directed to serve copies on the
Yes,
private.
Mayor,
respondent.
we have served, Mayor.
Okay. Yes, can we take this up?
Yes, Mayor.
Yes, what is this?
Milord, page 84 and 85, Milord. 85 is the relevant portion of the order of rejection, Milord.
Your candidature has been rejected.
has been rejected.
You applied for retail outlet.
Retail outlet of petrol pump.
98 upon. No, 98.
Yes,
Page 85, Lordship, make a
85,
85.
85, yes, please.
Lord, reason for rejection, my lord. All co-owners of offered land have not executed lease deed as per DSG, my lord. Dealer selection guideline 2023 clause 4A of such lease deed is treated as invalid. Page 106, my lord, is the brochure, my lord, which speaks of clause 4, my lord. 106, if you also take, sir.
Yes. Yes,
The land should be, my lord, last portion, my lord.
page,
Page 106, my lord. The last paragraph.
Complete board 7. Complete board 7.
yes,
Last portion, if you lost it, the land should be will be available with the applicant as on the date of the application and should have minimum lease of 19 years, 11 months as advertised by respective oil company from the date or after the date of advertisement, but not later than the date of application. If the offered land is on long-term lease and there are multiple owners, my lord, then lease deed should be executed by all co-owners of the offered plot. In case lease deed is not executed by all co-owners, such lease deed shall be treated invalid. So co-owner, my lord, they are confusing co-patadar with co-owner, my lord. I have taken lease deed from two persons, my lord. Namely, one is my lord Barsa Hatsa and Samuel Harum. Both have purchased their respective plot of land. Both the name of both the person were mutated in the revenue records, lordship. That we can show, my lord. Lordship can kindly take up page 38 for a moment, my lord.
page
Page 38, my lord.
38.
Lordship. This is the email asking for the documents, my lord, by the company. Page 39 is the relevant portion, my lord. Email dated 29 December 2023, my lord.
138.
29, 12.
39 is the relevant portion, my lord. Last portion, paragraph 4, my lord. These are the documents required. Only documents with regard to 4, 5, 6, and 7, my lord.
Yes,
Appendix 3, land offer for land if applicable. Please note that such consent letter in the form of affidavit should have been tendered by the owner of the offered land on or before the date of application 1. 5, my lord, Kharsa, Khatuni or any other equivalent revenue document or certificate obtained from revenue official confirming the status of ownership of the land as on the date of application. Copy of the land document in support of ownership lease. Sketch of the offered land with dimension that we have.
what is the position, Mr. Bothakur?
There is a stay, my lord.
There is stay order.
Okay. Okay. How do you conduct the selection? Draw of lots?
Draw of lots, my lord.
No bidding.
Oh, it's a bidding.
It's a bidding. Lord.
It's a bidding
It's a
process.
bidding process. Lord. I was the highest bidder, my lord. 101 crore 13 lakh. The second high was something 95 lakhs. But there is some.
It's a corporation own site, my lord. We have to invest the entire, my lord.
Okay, then what happened?
My lord, if your lordship see column number 5 again is page 40, my lord, they say that any equivalent documents from the revenue records, my lord, would qualify as the ownership of the land, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, after this email dated so and so, my lord, they have again asked for the document from us, that is email dated, my lord, 23, page 72, my lord.
72.
Page 70. Page 71 is the email start, my lord. Page 72 is the relevant portion.
Yes.
So, Lordship kindly see, my lord. Page 72, last portion, regions kindly submit lease deed executed by all co-owners
Yes.
of the land on or before the date of application. In pursuance to this, my lord, we have submitted, my lord, documents. Lordship may kindly see page 82, my lord, for a moment. Office of the circle officer, other documents including this, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship is page 82, my lord.
Yes, 82.
82, my lord. From the verification of the land record, it is found that the following schedule of land is recorded in the name of Barsata, son of so-and-so, and supplemental so-and-so. There is no other co-owner of the aforesaid plot of land. Circle officer has given this certificate. They have totally ignored the certificate, whereas in their own application, they said any document from the revenue record.
You have taken this lease from Varsa and Samuel,
Your Lordship.
and they have signed the
They have
lease
sent the
deed, lease deed.
Lease deed, no.
Yes.
And Jamavandi also, my name is mutated, my lord.
You're not your name. You're
It's Lordship, but
the lesser.
I so see whether the lesser whether they are absolute owner or not, my lord. They are not the absolute owner, they are the co-owners, my lord.
That question was never,
Just-
Lordship. Very good.
But how do you ignore this page 82, Mr. Bhattakur?
Yes, my lord. There are-
How do you overlook?
But there are two certificates he has submitted, my lord. Page 54, my lord. 50 and 51, my lord. Same circular officer issued two certificates, my lord.
50?
50, my lord. Page 51st one, my lord.
Yes.
The one of the lesser, my lord. My lord,
Varsa.
patta number 33, my lord. Dag number 203, part, my lord.
Yes.
Second one, again, my lord. With respect to Samuel Hambra, my lord. It's a
Yes.
part, my lord. 203 part, my lord.
Yes, both of them are there.
No, but there are other co-owners also, my lord. From the Jamabandi itself, my lord. Now, first of all, kindly see what is the requirement of the corporation, my lord. Page 106, my lord.
Hmm?
Page
Page?
106, my lord. What is the requirement of the corporation, my lord?
106.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have seen this. So
Yes, sir.
co-owners, all co-owners.
Now, but the other, the bottom part, ma'am, the other condition with respect to offering of land as an, may I read, ma'am?
Yes, we have seen this. We have, yes, that's read.
Now, but it says, ma'am, if the offered is on long-term lease,
That we have seen this.
there are multiple owners, ma'am. It should be executed by all the co-owners, ma'am.
Now, he is saying that the land record shows that Varsa and Samuel are the patadars,
No, madam.
are the owners of the land in question.
No, madam. The partition are not effective, madam. Partition not done, madam. No, there is no partition, madam.
Then why this Jamabandi is there in their name?
And
Landholding
see, madam, only the
certificate.
mutation, madam.
Landholding certificate.
Only mutation, madam.
No, Jamavandi is there, page 92, Lordship.
There are
Page 92.
there are madam, 6 co-owner, madam. There are
Oh,
6 co-owner.
where do you
Yes.
where do you get
There is the Jamabandi copy. Here's the next, madam.
page?
Yes, madam. Page 92, madam.
92. Yes, state government. State government. Yes, get the clarification. Your stand would be final.
Page 95, madam. Kindly see for a moment, madam.
Mr. I think Revenue Department, no, Revenue Department. Revenue or Mr. Hendik, who'll get the instructions? Where is this place?
Miller Gosaigaon, Lordship.
Huh?
Gosaigaon, Lordship.
Gosaigaon.
Lordship, I have one small submission to.
No, let it come. Let it come. They'll be the final authority. If you say that they are the
There.
co-owners, matter ends there. We will not believe you. We will not believe the corporation
That's-
because it is in the domain of the
That's-
administration. They'll say
Yes.
who will BTC or what? Who would be the authority? I think DC office, Mr. Hendik. You kindly take these instructions.
Well, I have gone through a judgment of the apex court which says, until unless there is no partition, my lord, the possession will be given, my lord.
We are not on those.
Yes, madam.
Let him clarify.
Yes, yes.
You are not against the petitioner.
No,
You are
yes,
only,
yes.
only concerned by abiding by the rules and
Yes, ma'am.
regulations. If they say that Barsa and Samuel are the owners, the others are not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Matter is that.
It's a co-parent own side, madam. We have to invest the all infrastructure, madam.
Well, the authorities are not arrayed as parties.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, you take the instructions. We have seen that. We have seen that, because his grievance is, he is not against the authorities. We are making, asking you to make this.
Copy of the writ petition.
We'll furnish it today.
No, we'll give the, it'll state it in the order itself. Only that much of instruction. Third, Sri A. Lal, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri S. Bhattakur, learned standing counsel. BPCL.
Yes, ma'am.
Full stop. The dispute hinges over the issue regarding the land taken on lease by the petitioner to establish the retail outlet. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that in the tender process, he turned out to be the highest bidder. And the challenge is with regard to the action of the respondents in denying such a retail license,
Retail outlet.
retail outlet.
Dealership.
Full stop. The ground which appears is that the lease which was produced by the petitioner are not executed by all the co-owners.
Yes.
Full stop. While it is the case of the petitioner that there are two owners of the land in question, and both of them have executed the lease deed, comma, the stand of the BPCL is that there are other co-owners who have not signed. Full stop. The issue can be resolved by taking a report from the concerned, which office?
Circle office, Milord.
Concerned circle office,
Gosaigaon Revenue Circle.
of Gosaigaon Revenue Circle. Full stop. This court accordingly requests Sri J. Handik, learned State Council, to obtain the instructions as to whether the land in question, namely land in question measuring 1 bigha, 1 kata, 5 lacha, covered by DAG number 203, Pata number 33 of village Hairiguri under Gosaigaon Revenue Circle in the district of Kokrajhar. To report, request this to take a report.
Legalization.
And obtain the instruction with regard to the ownership of the land in question, namely a plot of land measuring so and so, so and so, huh?
There are two lands, madam.
To another plot, which one?
Two plot of land, madam.
Two plots. Page 83, Lord.
The schedule of the property is at page 4, page 56. Any more?
Yes, madam.
Which
One is offered by madam the Borsa Hazda, 1 bigha, 1 kata.
Yes, correct. The other one?
Is madam Samuel, madam, 1 bigha, 1 kata, madam.
What is that?
Page 83, Lord.
Page 88.
83. Now, who are the owners of the following plots of land which forms the part of the lease in question? Question number 1, it will be page 56. More side in, or page 80.
82 and 83, Milord.
From the lease.
82 and 83, Milord.
82 and
83, Lordship.
or 83 part with 8 to 12. To facilitate the learned state council to have the instructions, Sri Lal, the learned counsel for the petitioner, shall furnish a copy of the writ petition by tomorrow. A copy of the present order be also furnished to Sri Handik, the learned state council. List this matter for consideration on 17th of October.
Milord, can we do last week, Milord? Can it be on the last week of October? 17th
Last
not
week,
be-
okay, we'll have it on 27th of October.
Sure. I'm obliging.
Where is Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary? AG is here, we could have taken up your matter. Any one of his colleagues, H.R.A. Chaudhary, please call him. Mr. Saikya, wait for a while. He was there.
May I please your lordship?
Yes,
Mr. Sharma is legs before another court. May kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
timing, all matters, timing is difficult. What is this, Mr. Shivaikto?
We are directed to
Reduce the bank statement.
statement.
date
So you
of-
got the statement?
Yes, lordship.
You've got, Mr. Nath, for whom?
For LIC 124.
Huh? LIC. And when can we have this?
At two, at lordship two.
Difficult, wait for a while. If he comes, we'll take it up. Otherwise, we'll have to give a date. Wait for a while.
Another date may be given.
If the statements are there, we could have perhaps,
If we dispose of the
Mm.
matter, because.
wait for a while. If it's required, we'll give you a date. Otherwise,
Yes.
Here we have received the instructions.
oh, notice was issued.
Yes, my lord, we will be filing our affidavit, my lord. And here, my lord, there are three connected matters, 16, 17, and 18. My lord, we will be filing our affidavit in item 16.
You are protected by an interim order.
Yes.
Okay, you file your affidavit then.
Okay, and my lord, that affidavit to be filed in item 16 will be relying for all the cases.
Okay, okay. Hertz Free P. Mohanto, Learned Counsel, to the petitioners. Para 3J, also Hertz Free J. Hendrik, Learned Counsel, Learned State Council, and Sri R. Borpujari, Learned Standing Council, Revenue Department. Para 3, Borpujari, the Learned Standing Council has submitted that instructions have been received and the affidavit would be filed. He has also informed that there are two other matters connected, being
My lord, WPC 5020.
all together. Oh, this.
Altogether.
Okay, don't take it. Received. He has also sought liberty to file one affidavit, one consolidated affidavit pertaining to WPC 5019 of 2025,
My lord.
which would also cover the other two cases.
Right.
Full stop. Since the other two cases are also represented by the same council, comma, rejoinder affidavit may be filed thereafter. Full stop. List after 4 weeks. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Very grateful.
We give a date, I think.
Not
Interim order is there. List on,
immediately after reopening.
not immediately, we'll have it on 27th of October.
27. My lord.
But file it and file in advance so that he can get
Yes,
time.
yes.
He gets time to file a
Next
rejoinder.
Monday, my lord, within next Monday, we are filing it. We have to file 3 rejoinders.
Yes, you might have to, might have.
One-
That way we have given you liberty already.
Yes. I'm so obliged.
Mr. Abha?
That's it.
Yes, alternative plot. Where is Mr. Gogoi? D. Gogoi. Yesterday he had said alternative plots are there.
Check that instruction was given to us.
Anyone for Forest Department? Forest Council were there. Where have they gone? Hmm? Have you, Mr. Rabha, have you taken any instructions regarding?
No, not there.
You are still occupying that land? Are you still occupying that land?
Yes.
Initial land?
Yes.
Miss Forest Department, some council should have been there.
Regarding to my shifting of the petitioner from the
Yes,
designated
yes.
forest, which is
No,
not-
instructions are that the alternative plot has been identified. We can dispose of this.
Lordship, that in paragraph 3, Lordship, it has been staying in the minutes. Last paragraph of
Yes.
first page. Need to select those.
Okay. Third, UC Rabha, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri S.S. Roy, learned state counsel, comma, Sri R. Borpujari, learned standing counsel, revenue department, and Sri so-and-so, learned standing counsel, forest department. Para? We already have this. You can take this. We have this. Considering the subject matter involved in this writ petition, which is pending since the year 2016, and also the 16, and also taking into account the latest instructions received by communication dated latest instructions received by the learned standing counsel forest department, comma, the present writ petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Please have your seat. Please sit, have your seat. The petitioners have, who are 18 numbers, has contended that since a considerable length of time, around 1206 families with total population of about 3500 are residing in the greater Dodiha Forest Village. Full stop. They claim to be your forest dwellers or what? Are you forest dwellers? However, in the year 1986, the village was declared to be a part of wildlife sanctuary, followed by further notifications, which required the eviction of the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners had submitted numerous representations and had ultimately approached this court. Full stop. Sri Rabha, the learned counsel, has submitted that the matter for the resettlement of the petitioners and the families were under active consideration. Until date, the families are still residing in their original place. Full stop. Para. The learned counsel for the respondents, learned counsel for the forest department has, however, placed before this court a communication dated 8/9/2025 issued by the PCCF Wildlife to the PCCF and HOFF dated 8/9 colon 8/9/25, communication. Full stop. A perusal of the same would show that the said communication is also accompanied by other documents as which are marked as annexures to the same. Full stop. Amongst the documents, there is also a minutes of meeting dated 12/8/2025, as per which government land measuring 177 bigha of Chaulkhua Gaon under West Revenue has been identified for the rehabilitation of Dodia inhabitants, and a separate plot of land measuring 15 bigha of the same village has been identified for establishing various social development activities like schools and other infrastructure projects. Full stop, para. This court, on being apprised of the aforesaid developments, is of the view that since a conscious decision has been taken for rehabilitation of the petitioners in the location mentioned above, there would be no requirement to continue this repetition any further. Full stop. Be that as it may, this court is also of the opinion that such a move is in consonance of keeping the forest areas encroachment free and at the same time balance the rights of the forest dwellers. Full stop, para. In view of the aforesaid observation, repetition is closed. The communications dated 8/9/2025 along with its annexures have already been taken note of this court in its earlier order and marked, which has been marked as flag X, are made part of the records. Forest nahi le kono banda. Forest kono nahi. PM Gusam milki, PM Gusam. Asile to koto. Kuntu. Motor, time to motor. Yes. Yes, what is this, Mrs. Sirajito?
My lord, before that, my lord, kindly peruse the order dated 3/6/2025, my lord. It is clear in the order, my lord.
3/6.
3/6.
Yes. Yes. The loan was insured.
Insured, my lord, and they have to supply the details of the last amount on the liability on the date of the borrower, my lord. That was the last order passed, my lord.
Yes,
They have to
Mr.
support.
Sharma.
Yes, your lord, sir. Your lordship, I have been directed to produce the statement of account.
Yes. Can you show it to your colleague?
Yes, your lord. The notice that we have issued.
Mr. Sirajito, you take instructions on this. We can have it on Monday.
On Monday.
Monday or Tuesday. Oh, Monday, next week will be difficult. But this kind of matter we can give preference. Pending since when? 24. Or we can have it
24.
immediately after the reopening also.
Interim also there.
Huh? Oh, then immediately on the reopening. You have a look, consult with your clients, get the instructions. Because maybe probably for the first time you are being getting this. statement.
Because in the earlier occasion, my lord, it was clear, my lord, the loan has to be paid either by the LIC or by the bank, my lord. In between, my lord, we are harassed for last 5 years, my lord. It was settled.
Where you know, where Mr. Nath, your role is,
Our contention is that the bank take the money from their customer and then they deposit to the LIC so that the can be insured, loan can be insured. So we have no record with regard to the Devabrata Chaudhary here. So we made correspondence.
then bank, did you make the payments?
No, your lordship, we have already made them payment. your lordship. It is completely out of the records
Our
stocks, your
problem, our
lordship.
difficulty was
And
that.
Before the DRT, your lordship, they have considered.
That reflects
they
the
will-
order on 3 June, that reflects.
No, Mr. Nath, if your records are missing or misplaced, this would have been relevant if the Mr. Sharma's instruction was that he was not very sure whether the amount was furnished to you. Now the amount, he says that it was debited on your account.
That correlating.
Sorry, credited to your account. Now, if it is credited, then
that-
your mere misplacement of the records will not.
We have not misplaced the record. We
Then-
have stated that we have no record that you have given us.
That is it. That is what. That is
Not-
what.
not misplaced. That is what, my lord. Thereafter, when we take the risk, then we send a insurance that is taking, we are taking that to the bank. So we have, in our affidavit also, we enclose the letter in page 67, that when that letter, that policy, that we are taking this, because then you can only accept this. That letter they cannot produce. That is what we are facing problem. Because we send them, then you take risks. Without our
lordship,
consent,
they have-
our
they
letter,
have
how they
provide-
can take risks?
they have-
Okay, this will have for admission hearing on a Tuesday
Right.
on the reopening. Okay. Pursuant to the last order. No.
3/6/2020.
Pursuant to the last orders, comma, Sri M. Sharma Learned Counsel for the UCO Bank has produced the bank statement with the concerned bank statement, a copy of which is also furnished to Sri Siladitya, the Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Sarah. Also heard Sri Esna's Learned Counsel for the LIC. Sarah. List for admission hearing on
15 lordship, on 15.
16th of October.
Right.
16 October,
Right.
Tuesday.
Right.
Is there any interim order?
Yes, your
What
lordship,
kind of
one
interim?
interim order is
They are
there.
protected.
Because
They are
banks used to take an action, your lordship.
protected.
Interim order is still further or does it what?
No, my lord, in the 3/6 order one is,
There is no extension. Is it till further orders? Until further order. Not required to be extended. Yes.
This is the Mumbai matter.
Maharashtra.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship.
Yes,
A
madam.
small prayer, Lordship. Lordship,
Your
we do
smile
have-
is saying something else. You're insisting for adjournment.
No, Lordship, at two, Lordship, Mrs. Goswami, she is, I think last time she apprised the court.
Yes.
She has some difficulty in the first half.
If we don't have any matters at 2 o'clock, we'll not sit for one matter.
Lordship.
Lordship.
In 5707 of the 2021, this was, I have been newly engaged in this case. Lordship, after going through the brief, I said that I may be allowed to file one affidavit, bring into record, because there were subsequent developments. Those were not properly placed in this particular case. So if that is allowed.
Earlier, you were not the counsel.
No, Lordship. On the last occasion, because
Yes, what do you say, Mr. Dr. Saraf?
My lord, I have prepared with this
I know.
statement. You'll also may see the report, my lord. You'll also may see prima facie whether the FIR makes out a criminal case or not. No, the investigation was made and the report has been received, my lord. If you'll also peruse it,
But if you remember, he was also relying upon some kind of settlement
no, that's-
between him, not you, between him and Madam's client.
That also I have received instructions, my lord.
Yes.
That there are no instructions. The complainant has said that no, it should continue.
No, obviously the complainant are
Well, nothing about settlement.
no complainant are opposing this prayer. So, but he's trying to make out a case that the matters were settled.
No, my lord, I have received, my lord, the instructions that it has not been settled. And
No,
secondly,
we'll examine, let him be, but you already got the time. We had taken this matter around a month back.
Lordship, that is there because the director has died, expired. So they could not provide the information properly. Now only they have given some documents and some mails, those were sent earlier. And one letter also to EOW and other documents
But the first
regarding
matter is
withdrawal of
of,
the cases.
first matter is pending since 2021.
Yes, Lordship, that
And
is
there is
there.
stay below
So
the
I'll take
process.
only just 1 week time to file the affidavit.
Okay, then we'll fix a date immediately after the vacation.
Yes, Lordship.
Probably on Thursday, we'll go for,
Yes.
Heard three S and Tamuli, Learned Counsel for the petitioners in these cases. Also heard Miss Ineug,
Lordship, A name. On behalf
A
of.
or E?
A, Lord.
Ineug, Learned Counsel appearing on instruction. Are you on record,
No,
madam?
Lordship, I'm not.
Appearing on instruction of Miss G. Goswami for the respond number
4, Lordship.
4. Full stop. 3, Dr. A. Sharaf, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by A. Sharma. What is his name? Sharma?
B. Salman.
B. Sharma is present for the state of Maharashtra in WPC. Which one? 35?
5707.
In WPC is 5707/2021, whereas Ms. M. Burman, Learned Counsel, is present for the state of Maharashtra in the other writ petition. Para. Sri Tamuli, the Learned Counsel, has submitted that in 5707 of 2021, he has subsequently entered appearance, and on going through the case records, after going through the case records, he has prayed for some time to bring certain relevant facts on record by way of an additional affidavit. Full stop. The matters are long pending. Full stop. Para. In the interest of justice, 2 weeks' time is granted to the petitioners to file additional affidavit. Full stop. List for admission hearing on 16th of October. Are you there? 16 October?
Madam.
16 October, madam. 2020.
Lordship,
File.
can it be on some other day because I have to go out of station first.
23rd.
Yes.
23rd of October. 23rd.
Much obliged.
Yeah, please, your lordship. This matter relates to non-payment of contractors' bills of. My lord, respondent.
Non-payment of contractors bill.
My lord.
Oh, it should go to bench 4. List before the appropriate bench.
Obliged.
But we can take it up, no? Can you dispose it off?
Supposed to, they have filed affidavit, my lord.
Which department? PHE?
Yes.
PHE name shown or not?
RR going.
PHE name is shown. List before the appropriate bench.
Obliged.
Put it back at bench 4. Article 19, 4 orders.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lord, this is a contempt petition, my lord, alleging violation of order dated 25.
The updated instruction I have got, my lord, lordship.
What is it?
My lord, the proposal has now been placed by the Commissioner of Taxes to the government, my lord, on 28/25, and it is currently under consideration.
My lord, if your lordship sees, even during the pendency, my lord, stand was taken that it is under process.
No, it was returned back, my lord, then it was re-verified and it has been submitted again.
We'll grant some time. Heard Sri R. Dubey, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri B. Gogoi, Learned Counsel appearing for the respond number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Has submitted that latest instructions dated 17/9/2025. Yesterday.
That's the latest, my lord.
Yesterday, Somebody was there in the office on Vishwakarma.
No, on 28, 20, 28, 25. Oh, instruction was furnished, madam. Yes, yes.
Somebody was there on this
Yes.
typing, not celebrating Vishwakarma Puja.
But contempt, madam. Contempt, yes.
Contempt cut across everything. Okay. কি করলো? Has submitted as per latest instructions dated 17/9/2025, comma, the refund proposal in respect of the petitioner has been received from the Commissionerate of Taxes on 23/6/2025, and re-verification report of the said proposal has also been received on 28/2025, and the matter is currently under process under the Finance Taxation Department. He assures that the matter would be brought to a logical conclusion within a short period of time. In view of the aforesaid submission, matter is adjourned to be listed on 27th of October 2025.
Can I prefer an earlier date, madam?
Earlier date, which earlier date? 24th at best.
Yes, 24th.
24th of October. The instructions dated 17/9/2025 are made part of the records.
Obviously.
May I please, Lord?
Yes, please.
That's it, the present requisition against the order passed by the respondent number 3, Divisional Forest Officer, whereas confiscated the petitioner's.
Forest. What has happened to Forest? Earlier matter also Forest is not appearing. There are 3-4 councils. What is the matter?
The matter is petitioner truck was confiscated.
Truck was confiscated. Under what law?
Under Assam Forest Regulation, under section 49 by the Divisional Forest Officer come authorized officer.
Okay, then.
Thereafter, we have filed a statutory appeal under section 49C before the district judge.
Okay.
Who is the appellate authority.
Right.
Thereafter, we have challenged the order of the
Appellate authority.
Appellate authority as well as the Divisional Forest Officer by this writ petition.
Let us see 49C of the forest. Forest one. Now you are challenging the order of the appellate authority as well as the DFO.
Yes, Lord.
Of making the confiscation.
Yes, Lordship.
Respondents have filed affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. That's one file appellate.
Yes. Yes, where are you, Mr. Botakur? One matter gone, nobody is there. This matter, we have to look for you. What is going on?
My lord, I was on legs, my lord.
You were 3-4 of you. Last matter we have disposed of, but nobody was there. Yes, what is your instruction here?
I have been informed that the case has been withdrawn in the main case, my lord.
Yes, Lordship, a criminal case was registered. Actually, confiscation order passed by the Divisional Forest Officer, DFO.
Yes.
Is temporary in nature.
Yes.
It was permanent when the owner of the truck is convicted or the criminal court passed any confiscation order under section 51 Lordship.
Okay, yes.
So I have as per I have obtained from e-court the criminal case which was pending. It was withdrawn by the public State of Assam and Forest Department.
Okay.
So there is no any case at this stage.
Yes, Mr. Botakur.
I Just verify, my lord, this, if it can be fixed at 2, my lord, I'll
2
verify.
o'clock, we may not have any matters.
Lordship, I have searched it in e-court. From e-court, I have obtained it, Lordship. And they are keep silent in regarding.
Okay,
this.
tomorrow, okay?
Yes, Lord.
What is your name?
This year.
Third Street, D. Chutia Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has submitted that as per instructions, the criminal case instituted against the owner of the vehicle has been with-
Owner of the vehicle is not implemented as an accused. One person was arrested in this case.
the criminal case instituted has been withdrawn,
Withdrawn.
and therefore there may not be any basis for further confiscation, for continuing with the confiscation. Para? I brought up to Learned Standing Counsel Forest Department, prays for, and is granted a day's time to obtain instructions. List for consideration tomorrow. If you get the instructions, you can make a mention, because otherwise hearing tomorrow may be difficult. We'll dispose this of. Mr. Chutia,
Yes, Lord.
tomorrow we'll try to
Lordship,
dispose this.
actually, Lordship, if the act, I have some judgment where it is clarified that if the petitioner, owner of the truck is implemented as an accused, then confiscation can be done. Lordship, here, Lordship, the case in this.
No, if it is already withdrawn by whomever was arrested, then it becomes easier for you. Let him take the instruction.
Yes. Problem.
Which one should we take, Mr. Chaudhary?
Number 1, madam.
5025.
Yes, 5025, madam. Your lordship, kindly come to page 75. Notice.
50. $75.
Yes. Page 75, madam.
Yes.
So here, my dear lordship, they have referred to 18.2, 18.1. Then your lordship kindly see, my lord, 18.2 land revenue regulation directing you to dispose of any structure, house, shop, building illegally constructed by you on the land, and any kind of cultivation done on the land, and vacate the land within 15 days of issue of this notice. If you have, your kindly know, if you have any claim of right about the land, you are asked to inform the office of the undersigned with relevant documents, particulars. Otherwise, the encroachers will be responsible for the eviction from the land and imposition of fine as per law. So first question, my lord, we are not encroachers, my lord. Your lordship kindly note, my lord, because there were the erosion affected under the same moja. Earlier it was the wrong district, my lord. The same moja, name of the moja is, my lord, Bagmara. Bagmara কি আছে? Bagmara, Moja. So earlier in the Dorong district, my lord, now the same place, it has come now under Vishwanath district, my lord. So that, so we are not encroachers, my lord. When we are eroded there, we have been, my lord, we have applied to them. As per application, they have, my lord, allotted the land after de-reserving the BGR, my lord. And for that page, your lord kindly see, page 34. Page 34.
When was the de-reservation done?
Page 34, your lord kindly see, page 34.
Yes,
I know. Vernacular is next page, my lord. Original, last time, my lord, this one I would go ask me to bring the original. Original also we are having, my.
That is okay, yes, please.
Yes. So,
what is this?
Arrangement has been made under section, that section was wrongly given, my lord, under Land Revenue Act for handing over the below scheduled land to the river eroded riots temporarily, permanently by freeing the deserving the same from the cattle grazers. Therefore, it is hereby notified that if any person has any objection in freeing the land from the cattle grazers, then written objection can be submitted to the court of the deputy commissioner within 1 month of publishing this notice. Land here, madam, this the number it has made up of 25 of Brahmaputra Chapori, madam. And Moja is Bagmara Moja. You'll also kindly note, madam. So dag number 25, this is now madam, the question arises whether this is the same dag or not, madam. Under Bagmara Moja. Then your lordship kindly come to, they have written to us that those who are, madam, next page 36.
36.
Page 36. The matter of seeking settlement of the matter, no objection was given, so they have decided to allot the land to us. Now they are saying the matter of seeking settlement of land by the 41 households applicant showing reasons caused on 10/5/62 will be taken up for consideration on 11/8/63. You are asked to tell each of the household applicant to remain present at Nadura Circle office on a set date. and so on. Date. Original photo document date for date, no.
Yes, 36 is, what is the date of 36?
Yes, date is not, I'm giving original matter, date actually.
But we get a date of 10/5/1962.
Yes, that is there, madam, 10/5/62. Original.
Not record, not record.
But yes.
Not record. Let be taken for consideration.
So 10, at least 10/5/62, madam. Then your lordship will find, once it is, madam, no objection was there, there is no grazing, nothing, nothing was there, madam. And these people are occupying only residential plot, madam. No agricultural land at all. Then page 38, madam.
Yes.
Yes. Page 38, your lordship, annual Kharaji Patta. It is 2 Miyaruddin Sheikh. Banekula is also there, madam, page 40.
Who is this Miyaruddin?
Miyaruddin is the grandfather of petition number 2, 4, 6, and 12. 2, 4, 6, and 12. Similarly, my page 41. Then page 41, my lord, grandfather of petition number 3. Then your lordship 41. This year, madam, we have given that my lord. Then your lordship kindly come to NRC, etc. We have given my lord, brutal list. The appointment. Gaubura appointment also was there, my lord. Page 55. Aswaddin Shakake.
How is the Gaubura appointment relevant?
Deputy Commissioner.
Why is it relevant?
It is relevant because they were there, madam. I am just showing that because of the presence in this since long time, madam.
This
it is prior to allotment.
Asaruddin is one of the petitioners.
Yes, no.
Or the 45.
Grandfather.
Maybe predecessor.
Great grandfather, madam. This is 45, madam. This is 45. prior to our allotment in, yeah, my lord, in the present placement. That is in the same moja.
Where do you get Moza? Moza, this is different. This is Vishwanath Moza.
Earlier 45, madam, I'm saying, this is 40.
45.
It is 1945, my.
No, this is Moja is different. Moja is not.
Moja, Balidubi and Bokabir.
This is not.
It is Gao Vishwanath Moja, my lord. Your lord's kindness.
Now, earlier Moja was Bagmara.
No, that with regard to that Vishwanath Moja, my lord, we have stated, my lord, within the same area, my lord, name Vishwanath Moja. It is Vishwanath Moja. Of course, it's not Bagmara Moja.
আৰু যিকেইটা আমি হেৰি দিছো ট্ৰেন্সফাৰ দিছো এইটো আছিলে বাগমাৰা মৌজা নদুৱাৰ চাৰ্কল
Nodawar Circle.
বাগমাৰা
Then your lordship, my lord.
No, earlier at page 34.
Yes.
This is Moja is Bagmara.
Bagmara.
Not Vishwanath.
No. Earlier it was not Vishwanath, my lord. Earlier, my lord, 45 Vishwanath.
No, this is also 57.
This is
Page
57,
34.
my 57 Bagmara. 57 Bagmara. We are just showing our presence there, my lord, in that particular. That's why it was given. If these people are prior to independence, my lord, they're here. That is what I'm showing.
Yes.
So now, my lord, they have filed an affidavit. Your lordship will find from page 131. It starts, my lord. Jamaband. Page 131. An extra one. Jamaband. Affidavit, page 131. Your lordship will find. This is date with date. 82. 82 is a type copy.
Page
131.
131, yes.
Yes. Translated type copy. My learned friend, my government side, they have submitted this affidavit. So that they have shown that it is Circle Officer Vishwanath Revenue Circle. In the bottom it is written. So in the Jamabandi of 1982, name of the village and DAG number not mentioned anywhere. They have submitted it, but nothing is mentioned. Then page 138. Here it comes, page 138. Your lordship, page 138.
Yes.
Your lordship will find, as per order of the circle officer, top left side, as per order of the circle officer dated 26/5/2015, in Namdari case number so-and-so, land was mutated in the name of Muhammad Sultan Ahmad, son of late Hadith Ahmad, on the basis of the purchase, possession, along with Sri Rudra Soikia, so-and-so. They have submitted. Your lordship, is the next middle portion, your lordship bottom. As per order contained in the letter number dated 10/1/2007 of the Deputy Commissioner Shonitpur District, the classification of DAB number 25 of this patta was changed from BF class to T class. BF,
Seven biga, 1 kata, 11.
So total land is 7 biga, 1 kata, 11 lessa. So DAG number 25 was changed, renumbered, my lord.
No, DAG was not renumbered. The class of the land was changed.
So here, my lord, this DAG 25 contains total land, my lord, 528 biga, total land. Another plot of land under dag number 25 are also as one bigger matter. Other lands also under this dag 25. It is not a particular this middle plot of land. Page 1. Now 146 they have given a middle that map.
Yes.
This map, my lord, whether this that my lord, this whether it is my subject to my learned friend, my lord, whether it is available in the record, that seal which was given on the top left side, my lord, whether it is still subsequent or later, my lord, your lot, my learned friend, you will say, my lord, what is there, my lord. Then here is a map, my lord. I find it is it is my lord actually Xerox copy and posted here, my lord. So original also may be there. Yes. So this map, my lord, bottom middle portion your lordship will find dag number 203, no? 281. 281 also the my bottom left side middle portion, my lord. 240 to 81. Let us say 281. 281 is good. Yes. So here other lands are there, those have not been touched, my lord. Yes. Notice was given only in respect of this minor portion left to bottom.
Where do you get 203 as 203?
Yes.
This is Gochar.
Goch.
Gochar.
Gochar, it is written there. It is written Gochar, man. They have supplied my dog, and certainly maybe they are my different, they got it. That you also will see my dog thought is. So here our question, my dog, this 25 dags falls here, and it was ultimately our case is that my dog, we are in dag number no, dag number 20, RDR 25. Now our dag is 203 and 189. Our case is that, my.
In this map, Mr. Chaudhary, is there any reference to dag number 25?
Dag number 25 by Bommo Chapori, my lord. That your lost kindly see in the right side, Bommo Chapori. Page 146.
Yes.
So that was this is the 25 dogma.
No, is it written anywhere?
Yeah. Bommoto Chapori. Version which is 34.
Yes, it
Page 34 again, my lord. Yes. Bommoto Chapori, my. Page 34, it will be page 34, dag number 25 of Bommoto Chapori. So this dag number is here, my. In the right side.
No, is it written anywhere? No, not written.
Hello?
The dag number, is it written?
Oh, no, my.
Just like we have found 203
no,
and 189 towards the bottom part.
Right.
In this map, is 25 written anywhere?
No, but only we find Bommoto Chapori now.
Yes, that we have.
25 we are not there. Bommoto Chapori and page 34 will say, my page 34. Page 34, the allotment 20. Page 34. Again, just now your worship is saying.
Yes.
Your land measuring so and so covered by diagram number 25 of Bommoto Chapori. Under Bagmagamoto. So this land falls here, Bommo to Chapari, that one.
So
in
if
fact-
if it is falls within the, on the eastern side, so, but this Gochar encompasses 203 and 189. If it was in the Brahmaputra Chapuri, it should be somewhere else.
Demarcation, in this map, they have demarcated that they have done it. So,
No, Mr. Chaudhary, when we asked about where is 25, you had taken us to page 34,
yeah,
whereby certain grazing lands were freed
right,
to give settlement.
two cups of it.
And settlement process took place, but this mentions the Dag as 25, and you have emphasized that it pertains to Brahmaputra Chapuri. Now, here in this map, there is a mention of Brahmaputra Chapuri, which is on the eastern side of the map.
Right.
This is not within this encompass Gochar land.
Left, other, western, way.
No, the
southern.
the bottommost part
south-
of the
southern, yeah.
southernmost.
Southern.
There is a demarcation of Gochar, which consists of 203 and 189.
That they have written, madam. This is in the map, it appears, madam. But this map is made when, madam, that is. Madam, subsequently, they might have made it, madam, subsequently, earlier it was free, reserved, again, might have been there, madam, they might have done it, madam. Our case is at the time when we are given, my lord, at that time it was reserved. It may be subsequently, they might have done it, madam. Your lordship seal says, madam, 19 and 20. In the seal which appears, your lordship will find seal. That is page 146, bottom left side, my lord. Seal says that it is 19 and 20. Corrected until 70-71, as per that year. Okay.
This is 19, 19 and 20.
19 and 20 this map. So our case is, madam, in that time it was there, madam. There is a 57. And this map is latest one, madam.
No, it's 1919.
So 1919 and 20 still shows white.
Yes.
Yes. 1919 and 20. Subsequently, what I am saying, subsequently they might have, but your lordship kindly see we have page 190. We are having the map also, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Yes. 198, my lord. Original process. It was not clear. Another place of it.
198.
Yes. Definitely. Even the
Yes.
Yes. The color of the thing. Now, if we compare it with my page 146, the map, we have collected from website, madam.
Okay.
No, they are video. It will be also.
This you have already given.
Hello?
This is here.
Oh, already there.
No, 189,
Yeah.
198.
198.
198 is the same map, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. 198, page 198. So here, my lord, basically, your lordship. This 1919 and 1920 map was corrected in 1970-71. 70-71, page 146, that one your lordship has seen, that was corrected in 1970-71. But the same is similar with the offsite that submitted by the petitioner in reply 198. Same matter, 198, the map and that one, 1990 and both same. That was in Assamese, this was in English one. Yes. Now, we applied for RTI matter. That matter you'll also go on page 193.
193.
Yes, madam. The record we have asked for the record whether it is PGR, BGR, my lord. Then 193. The reply was given 194. You kindly see, my lord, that 193, page 193. We the undersigned permanent resident of Nij Bagmari village, so and so right information, certifies to be all the government orders, notice of his correspondence, records relating to Nij Bagmari, Gopsar land from 1957 to 25. Sorry. So 57 to 25, we ask for it. Then other things also, reply is there, your next page 194. Reply.
Yes, please read.
Oh, Barnacular is there, my lord. Let us see Barnacular, my lord. লোকতথ্য উপভোক্ত বিভাগন্ধে সত্য প্ৰমাণিত প্ৰতিলিপি বাগমাৰা মৌজাৰ নিজ বাগমাৰী গুপচাৰ মাটিৰ তথ্য 1957 পৰা লৈকে কোনো তথ্য এই কাৰ্যালয়ত উপলব্ধ নাই 25লৈ কোনো তথ্য উপলব্ধ নাই জিলা উপায়ুক্ত মহোদয় গুপচাৰ ডাগৰ নদীৰ খহনীয়াত যোৱা পৰিয়ালৰ তথ্য এই কাৰ্যালয়ত উপলব্ধ নাই that they have also stated, my lord, that records are not available. Then, my lord, প্ৰত্যৰ্পণ প্ৰতিলিপি নোটিছ নম্বৰ 600 পৰিয়ালক দিয়া নিজ বাগমাৰী আবণ্টন প্ৰতিলিপি কাৰ্যালয় উপলব্ধ basically, my lord, because district was changed, so that may be. But whatever we have submitted, original copy we have submitted, my lord. So our, my lord, basic question is, my lord, in the notice, they have stated that if you claim, but 18 to that is for other purpose, my lord. We have entered in the land with their permission, my lord, with their allotment, with their settlement. Now they have stated in the notice that if you have any claim or title, you show all the documents. That also we have submitted, my lord. So let them decide that way also it can be done, my lord. All the documents we have given, my lord. As per page, my lord, your lordship, page, notice, page 74. Page 75. Yes. Page 76, your lordship will see. If you have any claim of right over the land.
Yes, we have seen that.
Your lordship will see. We have, in terms of this, we have submitted the pendency of the petition, my lord. We have also submitted it before them also, my lord. That is also pending, my lord. So 18 to 18-1, our land does not fall, my lord, as per land that is. That is purely, my lord, unauthorized person. That's your lordship is aware of that, my lord. This our case does not.
Mr. Saikia, have you taken a final decision after they have shown the cause and filed the submitted the documents?
Our case is of the totally different footing. The documents which they are showing, it is DAG number 25. The area from where we are trying to.
No, that is not the question we have asked you. We have asked you.
Taken a decision.
Yes, after they, it may be a different DAG. They have given you certain documents.
Yes.
From your side, it may be relevant, it may not be relevant. But have you taken a decision and communicated to them? Because what Mr. Chaudhary lastly told, that let them take a decision. We have submitted our documents.
We'll take a call then in that case.
I think that will be the best. We have understood your case. You said that this DAG is entirely a different thing. And this pertains to village bridging land, where there cannot be any settlement under any condition. But it appears that pursuant to your notice of 28/2025, which was under 18-1 and 18-2, they have said that they are not encroachers. They have documents. They have shown certain cause. They may be right. They may not be right. But you can take a call, you decide their entitlement. Because it is still at the stage of notice.
The notice was issued on
25/8.
28/8. Although in the second phase, they have said that it is it is February. No, it is wrong.
Hmm.
The typographical mistake is there. Second page 76, the date is 22.
22.
2002. It is not 02, it should be
08.
08.
Oh, sorry.
No, that is one option, which would, then you can at least whatever your stand you'll take.
Yes, Lord.
Today, in fact, we have decided many cases where speaking orders were put to challenge. We have upheld those. That's a different matter. But the ultimate decision you had taken by giving them an opportunity of
Understood,
hearing.
Lordship.
So
And this is precisely what the Honorable Court laid down. On the basis of that, we have issued this notice.
yes,
While this notice was still there, they came before this Honorable Court and they got this no coercive action order.
yes,
Yes.
because
That is why there was no further proceedings
Yes.
in our case. So Lordship may direct us that
You
within
take
7
on
days,
this.
we take
We
a
take a
final
decision. Till you take a decision, don't take any coercive action.
till we take a decision.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
Yes, one.
Because we
Look
do
at
not
that
know,
one, let them-
they may be convinced with your arguments.
Yes.
Point of this.
Otherwise, factually, if
No,
the
we will record that on merits, you are not, you are opposing it. It is different, it belongs to a different act, but let it
Lord.
be. Okay. Third, Sri H.R.A. Chaudhary and Senior Counsel assisted by.
AI is there, my.
Not AI, recording machines are there. AI will not help us. Third, Sri H.R.A. Chaudhary and Senior Counsel
All the three cases.
assisted by Sri A.M. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioners in all the three cases. Also heard Sri D. Saikya, learned Advocate General, assisted by Sri R. Borpujari for the official respondents. Para, considering the subject matter involved and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, these writ petitions are taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Full stop. Tara. The challenge in these writ petitions are against notices, identical notices dated 28/20/25, issued by the circle officer, Biswanath Revenue Circle, under regulation 18 within bracket 1 and 18 bracket 2 of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886. Full stop. For better appreciation, comma. One of the notice, the contents of one of the notice are extracted here in below. Page 75 extracted. Para. Sri Chaudhary, the learned senior counsel, has submitted that the aforesaid provisions of law are not applicable as the petitioners are not encroachers. And full stop. The petitioners are erosion affected persons, and he has relied upon a communication of 1957 as per which certain grazing land under DAG number 25, Bagmara Mouza were freed for settlement. Full stop. Thereafter, settlement process was initiated and the predecessors of the petitioners were given annual periodic patta for different plots of land. Full stop. He has also submitted that even before the independence, a Gaon Buddha was appointed. Full stop. Para. He accordingly submits that the present notices are not sustainable in law. Para. Sri Saikya, the learned AG,
By the one day, because we have also made, asked to submit any documents. We have to.
No, we will say, the Saikia, the AG has strenuously opposed the writ petitions by submitting that those have been presented at a premature stage as no final decision was yet to be taken. Full stop. He has denied that any part of the grazing land were ever freed and allotted to any person. Full stop. He has also submitted that the records do not contain any order of 1957 of dereservation of any grazing land. Full stop. Para? The learned AG has also drawn the attention of this court to the affidavit in opposition filed on
Four nine minus.
4/9/2025, along with which the relevant documents, including a map, has been enclosed. Full stop. It is submitted that the present encroachment, the present drive to remove the encroachment are from a village grazing land covered by DAG numbers 203 and 189, which is clearly reflected in the map. Full stop. Para. 3. Chaudhary Dilani Senior Council has, however, submitted that pursuant to the impugn notice, the petitioners have filed a response.
Page 182, madam. Page 182.
Response and has also submitted all the documents to show their bona fide.
Individually, he has submitted.
Individual responses along with all the documents to show their bona fide. Good stuff. He has also disputed the map enclosed to the affidavit in opposition, and on the other hand has placed before this court a map which has been stated to be extracted from the website. After considering the rival submissions, this court is of the prima facie opinion that a final decision is yet to be taken by the respondent authorities after the individual response and documents have been submitted by the petitioners in response to the notice dated 28/2025. It also appears that there would be disputes which are factual in nature and which can be gone into only by the authorities after proper verification with the records and other contemporaneous materials. Full stop. While the petitioners have claimed that they are not encroachers and have documents to show their settlement, the said fact has been stoutly refuted on behalf of the state. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid dispute, this court is of the opinion that let the appropriate authority, namely the circle officer, who will take the call.
Deputy Commissioner.
Appropriate authority in the office of the Deputy District Commissioner, Vishwanath, take a final decision considering the response, individual response, and the documents submitted by the petitioners pursuant to the pursuant to the notice dated 28/2025. Let such decision be taken after giving the petitioners a personal hearing and by making any inquiry, if so desired, if thought fit. Full stop. The decisions be taken expeditiously and till such decision is taken, status quo as on today be maintained. The repetitions are accordingly disposed of in the with the observations in terms of the observations made above.
Deeply obliged.
Mr. Dr. Saraf. Wait, one minute.
Well, with respect to the matter which I submitted for also that.
Yes, we have examined that. Who's appearing? Hey, very develop person, more table right side. Enter here, yes. The case laws. Or if not, a fellow tape Mariba Pativis.
My lord, Mr. B. Gogo is on his way, my lord. Mr. B. Gogo is appearing in this matter, is on his way, my lord.
No, see, he was referring to 1960s, relying upon. Mr. Gogoi, I think this matter has to be referred to the.
Yes. Otherwise, my lord, so far as the order is concerned, my lord, I have read my lord twice, my lord, it's very clear. In fact, the entire issue is addressed already by the division bench. Only, my lord, option left to the petitioner is to file a review. If they have got something to say, my lord, in this particular.
No, in terms of this 1966,
My lord.
The observation in paragraph 8, that is the, I think, we do not say anything, but that is the elementary principles.
So the rest of the division bench, my lord.
Yes,
I mean, let the
it is very clear, my lord, that's why I am saying, my lord. I leave it to lordship.
There's no doubt, the division bench judgment is clear, there's no doubt about it.
And in fact, lordship is.
No, we are not saying anything on merits.
In fact, on the impugn or assessment has been done after this order. Otherwise, it seems so. All way of the impression, my lord, it will be prospective.
Heard Dr. C. Saraf, learned senior counsel assisted by Sri B. Sharma for the petitioner. Also heard Sri B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, finance within bracket taxation department, Assam. Full stop. Please have your seat. The Headline 66. No, another page. The challenge in this writ petition is against a notice dated 22/7/2015 issued by the Agricultural Income Tax Officer Assam, whereby information was given that under section 8B of the Assam Agricultural Income Tax Act 1939, the informed that section 8B of the Assam Agricultural Income Tax Act 1939 would be effective in the assessment year 2009-10, and the petitioner was therefore directed to furnish the computation book profit for the purpose of the assessment for the year 2009-10. Full stop. The primary contention advanced on behalf of the petitioner is that the interpretation of the statute, a correct interpretation of the statute would mean that the financial year commencing from a date from the 1st day of April of any year and not in respect of the corresponding assessment year, and therefore the applicability of section 8B and 8C of the Assam Agricultural Income Tax Act 1939 would come into effect only from 1/4/2009 and cannot be made applicable for the assessment year 2009-2010, correct? Sir, the Learned Senior Counsel has, however, drawn the attention of this court to which judgment?
Division bench judgment.
Of dated
Page
Page
51.
51.
to a judgment of the Honorable Division Bench dated
21/9/2012.
21/9/2012, passed in WPC 3753 of 2012, wherein an observation was made that since the amending act of 2009 came into force on 1/4/2009, it could not be intended to tax income. No. So this is your contention. Where is the findings?
Para 8.
Para?
Page 55, para 8.
Whereby the contention of the petitioner in that case was declined to be accepted by stating that the amended provision would apply for the assessment year 2009-2010 as such provisions were brought for the first time in the assessment year. Full stop. A similar contention was also laid down with the liability to pay interest. Full stop. The Learned Senior Counsel has submitted that the aforesaid view of the Honorable Division Bench would be par incuriam, qua decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court, including one reported in 1966, 3 SCR, page 93, Naam, full stop. He has also submitted that the plain interpretation of the statute and that the view expressed by the Honorable Division Bench would also be against the laws of interpretation of taxing statute. Full stop. Para. Sri Gogoi, the Learned Standing Counsel. What do you say?
My lord, otherwise my submission will be, my lord, that they will have to prefer a review against this particular order.
Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel has fairly submitted that though the contention raised with regard to the aspect of the decision of the Honorable Division Bench being par incuriam, the correct course would be to prefer a review against the aforesaid judgment. Full stop. Para. The Honorable Division Bench had made the following observations in the following the aforesaid judgment of so-and-so, in the aforesaid judgment in so-and-so, had made the following observations. Page 55, paragraph 8. Para.
And 5 also, Your Worship.
5 is your.
We are unable to accept, so that will be also.
5.
Para 5.
In the case of the so-and-so, where is it unable to accept? Paragraph 5.
Five and 8. Page 51.
Paragraph 4, 5, and 8. 4, 5, and 8. Let us give 4 also, it will be clear.
Fine.
This court has also taken, also noted the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the aforesaid case of so and so Supra, which is extracted herein below, paragraph 8, iska lal. In the respectful opinion of this court, the views expressed by the Honorable Division Bench do not seem to be in conformity with the views of the Constitutional Bench in the case of the Supreme Court in the case of so-and-so. In being situated thus, the correct this court is being situated thus, this court is of the opinion that it would be a fit case to be referred to a larger bench. Accordingly, let this matter be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice on the administrative side to place the same before a larger bench.
I'm obliged.
Finish. Larger bench, we can say a division bench.
Yeah.
A larger bench, a single judge is okay.
The earlier, when the matter was there, then the apex court referred the matter directly to 7 judge and 9 judge bench, because you will also be seeing anti-tax.
Yes.
Because there was already a judgment of 5 judge bench. So from 2 judges was sent to the 9
Now,
judge.
when we say larger bench, it
No,
may
that
also
could
mean
be-
a division bench.
Yes. But chief justice to consider that whether it is to be sent to the other bench also.
Larger bench, we cannot say. We can say only a division bench for referring. Otherwise, if only because of the Supreme Court judgment is, otherwise we are bound by a DB.
My lord,